Hi guys, today I'm going to show you all my fidgets. So, first is this. Not much to say about this, but this is a pretty satisfying fidget. You could squish it however you want. Next comes this. It's a yellow ball. It's a little damaged. This ball's seen some better days. It's one of my older fidgets, like the bunnies are. So yeah, and this is pretty old too. This is a puzzle ball, and you have to put it in the matching holes. Not much to say about the balls. So that's done. That took 1 minute. So now to show the not earned ones. So first is this spinny cube. There's not much to say about this. It's just a cube that spins. This tiny Rubik's Cube, which I already have a big Rubik's Cube, but this one is tiny, so you have to solve it. It's the same thing. Next is this Earth ball. It's squishy. Foreign continents. North America, South America. North America, South America. And there's Arctica. Asia is all, and Europe, and Africa, and Australia. So that's it for that. Next is this. So it's a fidget spinner that's all it does is spins. I broke it, so yeah. Next is this spinny soccer ball. I can't spin it because I'm holding a phone right now. There's a mini sized one too. Next is this. We have another one, but it is broken. My cousin broke. So that is it for all of these. Then I got this squishy thing. It's just a narwhal, which is a donut thing. And it's made from Jaya and Gasu. And it's made from China. And this, I have another one of those. These aren't all of my fidgets. I have simple dimples too. And they're not in this video. This is just a season finale. This is purple. It looks pink. It looks pink in the camera, but it's actually purple. That's how it lights. And there's some fishies I need to show you here. There's a turtle too. So there's a turtle too of this, but I can't find it, so I don't know where it is now. DIY fidgets. First is this. This, I actually got 2 of these. That's kind of funny. Next is this. You could wear it as a ring. You could flip it or you could squish it. You do whatever you want with it. Next, there is, we just do this. Yeah. All that is. And next is this. It's a DIY puppet my cousin gave me. I got more. And this is a Go Play squishy. Bend it, swish it. This is a Go Play squishy too. It's kind of hard. Next is the Guardian blanket. This is pretty funny. You could rub your finger on there. Next is this. You could push in there. Which don't push in too hard. So then it would break. And then this is a cotton squishy. You can see the cotton. That's why it's all white. Next is this. This is from the park I made, and this has seen from better days. So next is this. It's a tangle. I'm not sure about that. I don't know how to tangle it with one hand. And this is a mask squishy. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it is. Next is this. This is 2 popsicle sticks together. It's a sticky. I don't know why I called it that. And that is all of my fidgets for here. I got more DIYs. I'm not going to show you them because I'm not in the video. And there's the turtle. So there's that turtle. Kind of neat. I'll show the tops. Red one. Smile. This. This. They don't really spin good on these kind of surfaces besides couches. But I did show you the tops. Next are the slimes. I would have to do this for the slimes. These slimes are going to be super sticky. So, I'm going to take some time on this one. This is this slime. It's actually a dark blue, but it looks light blue, but it's actually dark blue. It doesn't get the color. It doesn't get what color it is. But that is okay because I told you. It was like that squishy ball. You gotta take me some time on this one because it's so sticky and it says no glue needed. Why is it so sticky if it says no glue needed? This is going to be a long video, isn't it? That is okay. If I get some of them dirty. Ah, just come off! Anyway, that was that slime. It took some time. It is teal. I'm not going to reach my hand in there because it would stick to me again. I just put my finger in. Yeah, it took me some time. Now this one I'm especially not going to put my hand in because this is like the stickiest one. And that is what it looks like. It's darker, but that's okay because I told you show you the shaker balls. So I would have to go like this. After I get all the slime off of me. That was the messiest thing ever. Next is this. So I got this from Christmas. It's pretty cool. Next is this. When I made on camping day, so you could do this and see. Now this one, my cousin gave me this one. That is so nice of her. And let me show you all my Lego fidgets. So first is this Tenga Tower. He thought my brother thought it should be straight, but I like it the way it is. And here is this. You could spin the Tenga Tower. I didn't tell you that. You can actually spin this. Let me show you it spin real quick. It's spin. How is this? Now you finally saw it spin. That's all the Lego fidgets. Next are the McDonald's ones, which is going out to McDonald's. So first we got Hungry Hippos. Next we got Battleship. Then we got Shooters. And we got this. And we got a Puppet. That is nice. Now Marble and Meshes. I'm going to show you these Marble and Meshes now. I need 2 hands. I need 2 hands to get for the bag. Okay, let me show you the green one first. This is the season finale. So this is a green marble and mesh. There's the green one. And then the pink one. It's actually getting the color right. So, bunnies. Let me show you this white one because it's the oldest. This one is pretty old in my fidgets, I'm not gonna lie. And this. It has buttons too. So that is not it. We still got a big bin and 2 small bins left. So these are rollers. These are rollers and all that. So I already showed you those, so I don't have to show you anymore. I'm saving the very big bin with a bunch of fidgets into the end of the video, which it almost is. So surprising. Here's my pink mochi. I showed this one in episode 1 of my satisfying fidgets. This is just the season finale. This is not actually an episode. This is just the finale of it. And now the moment you guys were waiting for is this. Oh my gosh, how am I going to carry this without the phone? Oh, it's so heavy. I'm bringing the cord with me too. Why is there even a cord in there anyway? That is a big bin of fidgets. So there is going to be a lot to showcase here. Oh my gosh. How am I gonna get this much time in a video? Okay, so the monkey noodle, pretty cool. You can stretch it pretty far. You can't see the end. I'll put them here because it will get confusing. Next is this marble maze. You can't see the marble, but you can hear the marble. Next are bubbles. So, bubbles are in here because I don't know. All they do is just blow bubbles. Next, we're getting into Rubik's Cube. So, here is the Rubik's Cube I was talking about earlier in the video, which I showed you the tiny one. It was like, yeah, it was these. It was 4 squares and 5 behind, but this one is 9 squares and none behind. So there's 54 squares on here. There's an ant. Our house is so messy. Next is this big marble maze. There is the marble. It's bigger than the other one because it's so big. Next is this Minecraft card game. I like Minecraft, so that's why I bought this. Next is this. Mrs. J has it, and I have one of these. I found it from over there in that pile of berry things. So next is this. So this is a new fidget from today. That's cool. Next is this infinity cube. It's pretty old. How about it's no mold, no dirt, or whatever, but it is a pretty cool fidget. Next is the phone, which this phone isn't more like any times, but I would have to go to the bathroom after this fidget. So that's a pretty cool fidget and bathroom break. You probably heard the flush. But anyway, here is the hammer I showed you in the 3rd episode, which was episode before this one. Here are my bugs. Oh, there's a sneak peek of the bike chain down there. We're getting low on fidgets here. So now is this, which is a Happy Meal toy. All of these in here are Happy Meal toys. So don't complain about it. I already have a bin full of them. Next is the Scratchy Spider-Man, which is actually my brother's. It's scratchy. I can't show you it because there is so much fidget here. Okay, so now the wacky track, which some people call this a snapping quick. There's 2 names for the wacky track. Next is the water timer. The thing is so slow. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll let that sit. Here is the key thing, which is so loud. Here is a tiger animal, which, who thought this was a fidget? I thought it was one of you. And here is my squeeze them all. I still got the puppets to show. That is last. I thought this was last. The bike chain is probably gonna be the very last one. Next is this. I'll show you what this does. You're gonna see me. No. It does that. So it's like a keychain. They put on the monkey bars on the set of that and a snorkel. Now you're probably so confused about a snorkel being in here, but this could bend. Not really, it doesn't stay when you bend it. The water timer, don't let that break. Here is this spiky ball. This is a pretty cool spiky ball. Yeah, that's a cool one. Next is the toy mini brands. Now this is pretty cool. Now Pamela mini brand. That is the best thing ever. And down it goes. It's great. Next are these shaker things. Another one of these Happy Meal toys. This one as well. And then this is a hard squishy. Super hard. Next is this warning pad. Can't really hear it. Next is this. It's a squishy, it's a wing. Now, last monkey noodle of the day. So here's this. Yeah, that's cool. Next, we got this. It looks like blue, but it's actually dark blue. That's kind of cool. And this ball, well, it's kind of squishy, but not much to say about it. Then this is a grocery game from season 3. That's kind of cool. Then these are the same thing, so I pulled them all out. They make the same sound. Next is this pull up. Pull up and pull down. Okay, here's another one, a Happy Meal toy. Here is this. That is, well, a phone stand. This is my fish. Why is this in here? I don't know. Yeah, this is a thing you could spin very slowly. You don't let go. And here is a gun. It's not real. It's tiny. It's a mini brand. Pew, pew, pew. Then poppets, then bike chain, then we're all done for the finale of this season and the video. So here's my blue hexagon puppet. Here is the yellow hexagon puppet. And then I got 4 Among Us ones, which are gone. some of them. This is this one and this one where I bring to school, and this. So those are my puppets, not all of them. And then my bike chain. That is pretty cool. Now bye, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like, or you won't miss out on a new video.